In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a real estate lead generation campaign without the need for a website. This is a valuable skill, especially if you're looking to expand your reach without investing heavily in web development. Let's start by exploring effective ways to generate real estate leads without relying on paid ads or social media. This approach may seem different from conventional strategies, but it can be just as fruitful if implemented correctly. First, consider the potential that lies within networking with local organizations and community groups. These groups are often looking for experts who can provide valuable insights, and by positioning yourself as a knowledgeable resource, you can create new connections and generate leads organically. Attend meetings, engage in community events, and offer your expertise whenever possible. It's all about building relationships and establishing trust within your community. Next up, public speaking opportunities can be a goldmine for garnering leads. By offering to speak at community events, workshops, or even local schools and libraries about real estate trends or market insights, you position yourself as an industry authority. This not only builds credibility, but also opens doors to potential clientele. Remember, confidence and a well-prepared presentation can make a huge impact, so invest time in honing your public speaking skills. Another powerful strategy is to create strategic partnerships with service providers who complement your business. This could include mortgage brokers, home inspectors, or even local contractors. By collaborating with these partners, you can cross-promote each other's services and reach potential leads who are already primed for real estate engagement. For a more traditional approach, consider getting creative with direct mail campaigns. While some may view this as outdated due to the digital age, direct mail can still capture the attention of potential clients in a tangible way. Design attractive, informative postcards or brochures highlighting your services and send them to a targeted list. A personal touch goes a long way, so make sure the content is relevant and calls for immediate action or contact. Lastly, hosting exclusive open houses and networking events can draw in a wealth of interested leads. Think beyond the standard open house by offering special incentives or hosting unique events that encourage attendance. These could be themed auctions, real estate seminars, or simple networking evenings. The key is to make participants feel valued and eager to engage with your offerings. In conclusion, even without a website, these innovative methods can help you generate a steady stream of real estate leads. It's all about making connections, showcasing your expertise, and being visible within your community. So, go out there, apply these strategies, and watch as your client base grows. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy lead generating!